Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tools to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're taking a closer look at the fyboptwu 2-piece fiber optic cleaner pen, designed specifically for MPO and MTP connectors. If you work with fiber optics, you know that keeping those connectors clean is critical for optimal performance. And this little tool promises to make that task much easier. Right out of the box, you get two blue fiber optic cleaner pens. Each pen is compact, lightweight, and designed to clean the ferrule end faces of MPO and MTP connectors without the need for alcohol. That's an important feature because traditional cleaning methods can be messy and time-consuming. With this pen, you simply click it against the connector, and it removes dust, dirt, and other contaminants efficiently. The manufacturer claims that each pen can perform over 500 cleaning cycles. That means you can rely on these pens for repeated use, making them a cost-effective solution for anyone maintaining multiple fiber connections. The cleaning mechanism is designed to handle serious stains in a single pass, which can save you a lot of time when working on large setups or data centers. In terms of build, the pens are compact enough to carry in a toolkit or even your pocket. They weigh just 0.8 ounces each, so they're easy to handle without adding bulk to your equipment. The product also comes with a 24-month after-sales service, so if anything goes wrong, the company promises support to ensure satisfaction. When it comes to compatibility, these pens are meant for optical devices and connectors. Specifically, they are engineered for MPO and MTP connectors, making them ideal for high-density fiber optic networks where cleanliness is essential for maintaining signal integrity. Using a dedicated cleaner like this helps reduce the risk of signal loss and potential damage that can occur from improper cleaning techniques. Overall, the fyboptwu 2-piece fiber optic cleaner pen is a small but powerful tool for professionals and enthusiasts who work with fiber optics. It offers a convenient, alcohol-free cleaning solution that is durable, reusable, and designed to handle multiple connectors efficiently. If you're looking for a practical way to maintain your fiber connections without fuss, this pen is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest tools and gadgets.